Today, we're looking at how you can use Figma to request feedback on your resume or another document in a super smart and efficient way. I really recommend this if you haven't written an application in a long time or if you're doing it for the very first time. Here, we're using my resume template in Figma as an example. Please find the link in the description below. In Figma, there are two different ways to share things. The first one is via the prototype preview, which is a streamlined option, and the other one is to share the entire document. Let's start with the preview, and before doing so, we'll create a new page on the left side. Of course, if you're more experienced, you can do it in one page. But for beginners, I highly recommend a separate page. Finally, just copy and paste your resume into it so that you can share it more easily and don't get confused. Click on Share Prototype on the right. Now you are in the preview window, which is what people will see later when you share it with them. You'll find various useful features here. First, you can configure everything depending on what device you're using, size, etc. Click on the Share Prototype button and adjust the remaining settings depending on your Figma plan, including permissions like who can see what. Copy the link or send an email directly from Figma. Anyone can write a comment in this respective place. Simply select where you want to add something. Let's do that now as an example. Ta-da! It will then appear in your document. Everything is now in one place, and you can of course still edit details or respond to comments. The second option would be to share the entire file. You can do this by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. Next, set your desired preferences. Do you want an email to be sent out? Yes or no? Alternatively, simply copy the link above, which you can then paste anywhere, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, whatever you need. That's pretty much it. And I wish you a lot of fun editing. Find more career tips and insights on my Medium blog and grab my free resume template on Figma. Enjoy hands-on tips or customize it with AI, super smart. All links are right below in the description. If you're building a global career, like and subscribe to Niche Careers, stay ambitious, and see you soon!